Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful motif which is named as Adrienne Granny Square motif, and this motif has a flower-like effect in the center and it can be used for any project of our liking. Several motifs can be joined together to make very big and large projects. So I shall go into the video immediately. For round 1, chain 8 and join with a slip stitch to the first chain. Eight chains, join with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, and make 16 single crochets inside the chain. Make 16 single crochets. I shall also make and get back. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and join. So there will be 16 single crochets here. Now chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip the next single crochet and double crochet in the next. Skip 1, chain, henceforth chain 4, skip 1, double crochet, chain 4, 6, skip 1, double crochet. Continue till the end of this round. I shall also complete and get back to you. You need to chain 4, 1 2 3 4. Skip the adjacent single crochet and in the following one, the alternate one, you make a double crochet. Continue like this and complete the row, complete the round. I shall also complete and get back to you. I have chained for the last leg. Now slip stitch and join to the third chain of the 7 chain. So 1 2 3. You should insert your hook under both the loops. Only then it will look good. Slip stitch and join. Now chain 1. So 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, all in the chain 7 stitch. So make single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, single crochet in each of the chain 4 loops. So I shall also make and get back to you at the end of this round. I've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch and join. Chain 8 now. This counts as 1 DC and chain 5. Place a single crochet between the 2 DCs of the first shell, immediate shell. Chain 5. 2 DCs again. SC between the 2 DCs. Chain 5 and a DC between the 2 single crochets here, between the 2 shells. So this is one corner. Again chain 5. SC between the 2 double crochets. Chain 5. SC between the 2 double crochets. Chain 5. DC between the 2 single crochets here. Chain 5. Single crochet between the 2 DCs. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at this particular point. We have come to the first half shell that we made. So in the third chain, slip stitch and join 1 2 3. This is the third chain of that 8 chain that we made in the beginning. Having done that, chain 3 and 1 DC in the same chain 3, third chain of the same 8 chain. So 1 half corner made. Now place 4 double crochets in each of the 5 chain spaces, and when you come to the corner, I shall tell you what to do here. You've come to the corner here place on this DC, you place 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, all in the same DC. Chain 3, 2 double crochets. Excuse me. Continue placing 4 DCs in each of the chain 5 spaces, and when you come to the double crochet, place the corner stitch, which is 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Follow the pattern, and when you come to this particular end of the round, I shall meet you here. I shall meet you at the end of the round here. Come to the end of the round here. I have placed 2 double crochets in the first DC that we did here. That is, and then chain 3, slip stitch to the third chain of the first chain 3 that we made, and complete the round. This is a little dicey. Let me pick it up. Here a tip: if you find this the working hook is not going inside, you can use a smaller hook and pick up the loop and pull through. So this is a slip stitch that we do, and then bind off here. So this completes our Adrienne square. This is called as Adrienne granny square, and you can block it. It's such a beautiful motif. Several such motifs can be made into different projects of our liking. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.